Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting with Megan. This is my first YouTube video. Very excited about that, and I thought for a first YouTube video we could unbox a lovely craft kit. By the way, this is not sponsored, just doing this for fun. Just found it on Amazon and thought it would be a good time, so this craft kit does not come with actual resin, but it does come with things to put in your resin, such as glitter and pigments and all that other good stuff that you can put in your resin creations. But I bought this because I would like to start a resin jewelry store. It's been something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I thought I needed some supplies and stuff to put in it. So let's get to unboxing about this. Enough chit chatter. I hate when videos just talk forever, and I'm doing that right now, so I'm very sorry.
So let's get to unboxing, shall we?
So the first thing that catches my eye is these little cotton candy bubble things. They're like little beads. And the next thing I would like to show is the glitter. Wow, so much freaking glitter in here. So these are the chunky kind of glitter. See, they're little thicker pieces, and it comes with yellow, green, magenta, purple, orange, gold, pink, light blue, white, and black. Wow. And then the other side is a thinner glitter, as you can see, and it comes in yellow, orange, light blue, white, purple, gold, green, silver, red, and magenta. I like saying magenta. I think that's magenta. Is that magenta? It looks like magenta. You remember Blue's Clues, how Blue had this friend named Magenta, and we all thought Blue was a boy, so we thought like, oh, that's his girlfriend or something, but no. Did you know Blue is a girl? I didn't. I went through my whole childhood thinking Blue was a boy. So embarrassing. Whatever, moving on. Next in the kit is these little pink spoons. Oh my gosh, look how cute they are. They're really long, and I imagine these are for mixing the pigment and the resin together. And next I will show you the pigments. These are the pigments. Oh god, okay, it's not focusing. These are the pigments. So these come in little powders. We have green, tan, black, white, I believe that's red, magenta, yellow, maroon, purple, brown, orange, and blue. All really good necessary colors for things. But so basically you get like a couple of scoops of this and put it in the resin and mix it up, and it'll change it to that color. So that's pretty cool. I really was looking forward to these pigments. So the next item in the box is really cool. It's these little flowers, these little dried flowers, and you put them in the resin and it'll like harden and it'll look really awesome. If you've ever seen those little jewelry pieces before. And I'm just gonna open it for you with my teeth because I'm trash. And here we go. Here's a better view of them. We have an up-close view. And they come with all these pretty flowers. We have the big thick petaled ones and the thinner petaled ones. So you can have a different effect with each of them. That's pretty cool. I can't wait to use these. These are going to be fun to use. And next up we have more glitter. Oh my gosh. These are all in pouches and they're kind of spilling out the sides. So, oh my goodness. I'll try to open this to show you. Oh my gosh, these... Oh, these are more like... Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. They're spilling everywhere. Oh my... these are little flakes of things. Look how gorgeous that one is. There's the first one. And the second one. It's all like white and glittery. And this is a purplish pink one. And this one is yellow. This one's really spilling out of it. Oh my gosh, do you guys see that? But yeah, that's the other one. And this is the pink one. Really, really light pink. That's also spilling out of the bag. I don't know how it does that. And then finally we have a green one, which it looks like scales. Let's be honest here. Like snake scales. Like skin that's fallen off a snake. Although it wouldn't be this bright, so that wouldn't make any sense. Whatever. But yeah, that's it for the little flaky things, so those are pretty cool. So the next thing are these little gold and silver sheets that you can put in. You know how those like edible gold stuff, where they put the thin sheets of gold on it so you can eat it? Well, this is kind of like that in a sheet, all crumbled up in these little tiny things. But the other thing that came in the bag, like with this, is this. And I don't know what this is. I honestly don't. If you know, please tell me in the comments, because Mama needs some help. I'm gonna take one out just to see. It seems to be these little sheets that are like holographic, and you can probably cut them up and put them in things and make them look cool. I'm not sure how to do that. If you know how to do it, please tell me, because I don't know. But that's pretty cool. So the next item in this box is the Steampunk Gears, and there's a lot of them in here. Oh my gosh. But I love steampunk style. I love anything steampunk. So this should be really fun to work with as well. That's pretty simple. And we're getting toward the end of the box, starting to be empty after this next item. But this is little rocks. We have a blue and we have a lovely green color. And there's no more colors, just blue and green. But yeah, they look like if you took those rock candies and crushed them up and then you got this, that's what it would be. So yeah, pretty fun. And that is it for the art box. Thank you for joining me today. That was fun. I'll put the link down below if you want to buy it as well. I can't wait to use those in my jewelry. Oh, I'm so excited. So, tip of the day is to just be yourself, be creative, don't be afraid to be who you are. Don't let anybody tell you that you're not good enough, because you are. Okay, there's some daily motivation for you. I'll see you guys next time.